Hey everyone, we are team number 2 from the production engineering track in the MLH fellowship. And well, I'm Armando from Mexico City.
I am Moises Chavez from Guadalajara, Jalisco.
I'm Oscar from Mexico, and our team idea is to have a blog where the people can explain himself in these challenging times. And we made it on Flash. We use Flash, SQL, Postgres. We also use HTML, CSS, and
now let's go through a quick overview of the project. So as you can see here, we have the home page, which contains here a quick description of what the blog is about. And here we have some posts with their respective titles. So here we implemented pagination. So as you can see here, if I click on this button, it takes you to the next page, as well as for this button that takes you to the previous page. Another thing to note is that here we also implemented a contact us form where you can send your name, email, and a message to contact us for any inquiry. And yeah, so let's go now through some other functionalities like sign up and login. So here we have the sign up page where you can create a new user. And once you've created a new user, you can log in through this page. And yeah, so once you're logged in, you can create a new post. Now, so for a quick example, let's create a new account. So here I will enter my name, Moises. Sorry, my email. Moises. Then my name and the last name. And a quick password. Now, once I've signed up, I will log in with that account, which was this. I will enter my password. And here, as you can see, I'm already logged in. And yeah, so here I have these two buttons that were before. The first one is to log out, as you can see, and the second one is to create a post. So I will proceed to create a new post with the title, hello, and the post body, whatever. So as you can see here, I already created that post, and it has the creation date as well as the last notification date. And here we already have that post on the index page, and we can enter. We can click on that card to view the complete post. And here I also have two buttons to delete the post or edit it. So for example, I will edit this post and change the title to Hola. And there it is. I've already changed the title. Now I will proceed to delete it. And it isn't there anymore. So the last feature I want to talk about is the search feature, where I can search any post by their titles. So let's say that I want to find a post that contains the word there in their title. So I will search here, word there, and there it is. I have that result. So that was a quick overview of the project.
yeah, and so in order to implement the production engineer part, first of all, we manage Pocket managers. We use Python, Flask, Postgres, Docker Advisor. We also use Linux to deploy the page into an AWS account using easy too. And also we use some scripting and data routing to test the page during the continuous integration and continuous deployment. We also use people actions to do that. And to the test and monitoring part, we use C Advisor, where we can see like an overview or in our app. And all of that, we put it in a container. So it could be quicker to deploy in any system.
Yeah, and other thing very important about production engineering is about containers. And the way that we implemented in our website is to use the service of invert proxy, the engines, and also about the unicorn, and the Postgre database, and C Advisor, and other functionality that we have in our website. The containers help us a lot with this thing because this allows us for applying a lot of service in our website, like the service that I told you before. And yeah, it's pretty easy to implement it. So yeah, it's very useful for our website. And also the CI and CD deployment by GitHub Actions is very important because that helps us a lot with the automatization. When also it is very important for us because, well, the way that we are working, everyone working in a single part of the project, we can deploy every single part, and this function will deploy the project with all the settings that we configure. So yeah, this is a very important part of the project, and that feature of GitHub helped us a lot. Also about monitoring, the part of C Advisor is very important because we can see the performance of the website, and we can test with a lot of people inside the website, and a lot of requests. And yeah, basically this is very important about production engineering because we are testing a lot of things, and we are testing the way that the website is performing with a lot of situations. So I think this is the most important thing about this, because we are applying everything that we learned about production engineering. So basically, here you're seeing the performance of the project. So yeah, this is a really important part about this. And yeah, for the conclusion, we are very excited about this project. We are very excited about the thing that we have done in these 12 weeks. We are proud of the project because we apply everything that we learned, and we think that we have a lot of things more, a lot of features that we can add to the project, and that help us because, well, we are seeing in the future about this. So we know that we have a really good project here, but we can improve our project. So that is very important. And also we can improve in the production engineering part, adding some new features that can help a lot with the testing of the project. So basically that we are very proud of this, and we hope that in the future we can improve this project. Thank you so much.